Most people get frustrated when Reddit videos won't play on their PC, thinking it's a Reddit problem, but the surprising truth is that the issue is usually local, and you can fix it quickly. Today, I'll show you step by step how to solve this problem. First, check your browser. Reddit videos often fail to load due to outdated browsers or conflicting extensions. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If your browser is up to date, try opening Reddit in an incognito or private window. This disables extensions temporarily and helps identify if one of them is causing the issue. Next, clear your cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can conflict with video playback. Go to your browser settings, find the Clear Browsing Data option, and select cache and cookies from the last 4 weeks. Restart the browser and try playing a video again. You won't believe how often this solves the problem. The surprising truth is that hardware acceleration can also interfere with Reddit videos. In Chrome, for example, go to Settings, Advanced System, and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Then restart the browser. Many users report this fix as freezing or black screens when trying to play videos. Another common cause is ad blockers or script blocking extensions. If videos still won't play, disable extensions one by one and refresh Reddit. You'll quickly see if a particular extension is blocking video content. Finally, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks can cause videos to fail. Restart your router, switch to a wired connection if possible, or test another network to see if playback improves. Also, make sure your firewall or antivirus is blocking Reddit media files. In conclusion, most Reddit video issues on PC can be solved by updating your browser, clearing cache, disabling conflicting extensions, adjusting hardware acceleration, or checking your internet connection. Following these steps will get your videos playing smoothly again. Subscribe for more practical tech tips to fix common PC problems quickly and easily.